This is just a quick example for Windows users to try and get Beekeeper to work. This is a repository here, Beekeeper for Live. So you see, I've added the Java version, and this is what we'll download, right? So you just download that as a zip, and I'm doing it on Mac, but this also works on a Windows machine. Because it's cross-platform. So if I put it in my live sets, you'll see the projects are here, and externals to be put into the search path. The Java versions are what you want for Windows. So the really important bit is just that you go to Applications, to Macs, Cycling 74 Java. There's a folder Classes. And you'll see that these have all some Java code and an associated class, which is compiled Java, and that's where we put BeatSync 72 and the starter that do the starting jobs. Then in Live we just want to open this one. You can see it's Audio to Java version of the Live set. So to check it works, try right-clicking, opening Mac's window. You'll see there's some stuff here. It basically says the class path for Java is here, and the mechanism for Beekeeper loaded. Bonk actually is also required, which would mean you would need to get I should probably include this, but and we'll try and include this in the repository. You would have to, if that isn't loaded, then you have to get Bonk. There is a version for Windows, so I'll try and put that out on the site. But if, for instance, it said not loaded, you'd see you'd have a problem here. As it is, these are okay. If these are ever down, make sure just twiddle that, because it kind of sets the whole thing up to be okay. Response being fairly high, and I've loaded a couple of example files there on the website. So if we press play, we expect it to start with 4 clicks. It's looking for a kind of drum intro. So we've got 2, 3, 4, and there it started. I'll turn it down slightly. So you see how the tempo changes a bit. In the Mac's window, well, it's for some reason outputting only one line of code. Here's the tempos changing. That controls it. That controls Live, and it really does require these specialized microphones on a kick and snare. There's a kick and a snare mic on channels 1 and 2. So here, if you have external in, you might want to say set it on 7 and 8, put your kick on 7, your snare on 8, and have the intro setting. That's like a separate threshold, just listening out for these clicks. For example, here when I set it to play, if it was at 30, it's not picking it up, right? Whereas if I put the threshold down here to about 7, then you'll see it does pick it up here. Okay. Yeah, it picks that up. There's the orange flash. So if you're not getting any flashes, it's probably that you've not got Bonk installed right, and if it doesn't start, then check the Mac's window. But that's basically Beekeeper for Windows, and the other setup video might be useful because it's a bit, sort of goes a bit more from the beginning.